Hi, I'm going to show you this really cool weight loss trick. It's only going to take about 30-40 seconds. We're in a cute store in Vancouver called Choices on Richards and Davey. Come with me and I'll show it to you. It's really fantastic. Okay, here's the trick. You put 6 pats of butter on your arm and you hold them out there. And you realize how heavy they are. And then you realize that if you're 6 pounds overweight, that's what you're carrying around with you every day. And then you have to imagine your heart, which is about the size of my fist. And it's trying to pump blood through this lard. And obviously if you're 36 pounds overweight, you need 36 packets of butter. But once you get in touch with how much it weighs and how much effort it takes, you'll understand. Obese people don't eat any more than thin people. They just die 20 years younger. So all the equations are balanced in the end. So try the trick next time you're down at your friendly supermarket and you'll get in touch with how heavy 6 pounds of butter is. Thanks a lot, darlings.